What to do when Medicare denies your service or claim. If you have received a denial from Medicare for a service or claim, you might feel frustrated and confused. But don't worry, you have options to address this situation. The first step is to carefully read the denial notice. This notice will explain why your claim was denied and provide instructions on how to appeal the decision. It is important to act quickly. You typically have between 60 to 120 days from the date on the notice to file your appeal. The exact time frame depends on the type of Medicare coverage you have. The appeals process for Original Medicare consists of 5 levels. The first level is called Redetermination. At this stage, a Medicare administrative contractor will review your case. You can request this by following the appeal instructions on your Medicare summary notice or denial letter. If you disagree with the outcome of the redetermination, the next step is reconsideration. This is handled by a qualified independent contractor. If the reconsideration does not go in your favor, you can request a hearing before an administrative law judge. You must submit your request within 60 days of the reconsideration decision. If you still do not agree with the ruling, you can ask the Medicare Appeals Council to review your case. As a final option, you may appeal to a federal district court. For those with Medicare Advantage or Part D prescription drug plans, the appeals process is similar but managed by private insurance companies. You can have both pre-service appeals, which occur before you receive the service, and post-service appeals, which take place after the service has been provided. Here are some practical steps to take if your claim is denied. First, keep all written denial notices and any documents related to your claim. Follow the appeal instructions carefully, paying attention to deadlines. Consider asking your healthcare provider for assistance. They can help write a letter explaining why the service is medically necessary. You can also appoint a representative, like a family member or attorney, to assist you with the appeal. Just remember to fill out an authorization form to allow Medicare to communicate with your representative. Utilize free resources such as the State Health Insurance Assistance Program for guidance throughout the appeals process. It is also wise to keep copies of all correspondence and records related to your appeal. If you miss a deadline, you may still be able to appeal if you have a valid reason for the delay. The appeals process can take time, so be patient and continue to pursue your appeal through the levels if necessary. Understanding the appeals process is essential. If Medicare denies coverage, you could be responsible for the full cost of the service. By appealing, you have the opportunity to have the decision reviewed and possibly reversed. Remember to review your denial notice promptly, file your appeal on time, and use available support resources as you navigate this process.